I didn't have a place of my own. I was just freaking out about the whole thing, the whole ordeal, basically. I just didn't feel like I was ready yet.
How was that?
Most people were negative except my mother because I was not married. I didn't have a permanent teaching job.
You won't be able to do it, and you're not gonna be able to finish school. Don't depend on people, you know. I've been called out my names a couple of times, so.
Financial was probably the biggest concern.
Not gaining a lot of weight, like I was sick and losing weight. I don't know, I was just worried about him coming out healthy.
Don't know if I was gonna make it out through my junior year, so didn't think I was gonna find a job or really have no help. So.
I was really worried about telling my mom. That was the first thing I was really worried about. I was scared how she was gonna react and everything.
To have to worry about what I was thinking, what I thought was best, and then what was right. You know, so it was very, very stressful as to what I could or could not do. That's honestly the reason why I came and talked to you. You guys have always helped me into doing what was right, what was best.
I found out about you through actually friends that had been here before or to a different Pregnancy Matters, and called you, and you were very welcoming, and everybody I came into contact here was very welcoming and supported me.
I think I did hear about it at my doctor's appointments, but I had already heard about it before then. And I don't know, it really did help though, especially like knowing everything going into the hospital with the epidurals and the C-sections and all that, everything.
Micah talked to somebody and they told her about the classes, about coming over here and stuff. And she asked me if I wanted to start coming over here. And I said, well, sure, why not? You know, it's a chance to learn more about everything. I mean, before birth, after birth, you know, and the class was very helpful. I learned a lot. I mean, I got you guys, and then Micah, I got to go through everything with her at the same time. She was doing everything. I was, you know, painting her pains, and I could just call her like, you feeling this yet?
I learned like breastfeeding and how to take care of the baby and the process of going through labor and, you know, having a healthy delivery. It's a lot. I learned a lot.
I was involved in a group workshop. Well, through there, I was introduced to other girls in similar situations, and we became friends, and we've seen each other outside. I know there was a couple times I came in and just talked to you. I cried to you a couple times. I got a lot of support here.
Well, you guys helped me make that decision as to that's what I wanted to do. I wouldn't have made that decision if it wasn't for you guys here. And that's what I'm saying. Pregnancy Matters is a big part of my life, and everybody around me knows it. So, because I tell everybody.
You gave me information about Angels Cove, and it was the best decision I've made in my whole entire life. So I tell everybody about Pregnancy Matters, because I feel like I don't know where I would be right now if it wasn't for you guys.
I made it through junior year when they said you really supposed to be on homebound, you know, for like 6 weeks. That week after I had her, I went back to school because I was ready to go back to school, and I had good grades. Then, you know, there was a couple of times where I wanted to just quit, but I didn't. So I went through it strong. So
The day that I gave birth was the second best day of my life besides giving birth to my son. But she's one of the reasons why I walk every day, that gets me up out of bed and to keep me going.
And I got a daycare person set up. I've known her for 15, almost 20 years now. And she's awesome. She lives right down the road from us. And it's convenient. I actually just moved into my own place. And it's me and then my grandma and the babysitter and my sister, my uncle, and then my mom around the corner. I mean, we all live right there in the area.
Well, his name's Caden. He's 4 weeks today. He makes me really happy. Like, even when I'm having a bad day sometimes, I look at him and he makes it so much better.